You can tell that a book is good, not because of the cover, but because of the content that's in it, and because of the author who wrote it. In the same manner, you can tell that a dish is excellent, not just because of the ingredients, but because of how it was prepared by the cook or the chef. Ganyan din naman sa buhay. No? Sometimes we tend to overlook the fact that quality does not come overnight. The beauty of life isn't revealed in just a day or a month or a year. And just like how a good story or a masterpiece is written, it takes a lot of scratch papers, revisions, proofreading, backspaces, and deletes before a story becomes a well-written masterpiece. Also in cooking, no? And it takes a lot of experience with the right amount of ingredients, salt, seasoning, the right amount of time to put it under fire for it to produce the perfect taste. Ganun din sa buhay, no? Your life isn't ugly. Hindi pangit ang buhay mo. Hindi walang kwenta ang buhay mo. Nasa proseso ka lang. And there's someone up there who's writing the masterpiece, who's cooking the best dish that would glorify him, that would make you live a purposeful life. So whatever you're going through right now, setbacks, o kung ano man yan, no? You're still in the process. Buhay ka pa. Di ka pa tapos. Di pa tapos ang Diyos sa'yo. Di ba nga ang sabi sa Bible, He who began a good work in you will finish it into completion. Kung inumpisahan ng Diyos, nahawakan ng buhay mo, tatapusin niya yan. So don't be discouraged. No, whatever setbacks you're experiencing right now, rejections, failures, no, lahat yan parte ng buhay. Life would be boring, bland, if kukuha mo yung gusto mo. Kung puro na lang yan pagtawa. No? Ang buhay mababaw pag puro pagtawa. You need to cry. You need to learn. Because that's the beauty of life. No? And we have the best author, the best chef ng buhay natin. So yun lang. If you like my content, please hit follow or subscribe. Ako po si El Takashi. God bless po.